I suppose one of the questions that Fine Gael are putting out there is, should you have gotten up in the Dáil and in the chamber and in the council and declared that you had worked for them? Should you have?
That's the daftest thing I've ever heard, really. I mean, I don't see any connection. First of all, I stopped being a barrister in 2016, although many things have been said. The Eagles song, "You Can Never Leave the Club." But I actually stopped in 2016. I took leave of absence. I can't remember, was it a year or two? Because I felt at that stage I was doing mostly family law, and there's just no way I could give a commitment. So I never practiced again as a barrister. I didn't do two jobs.
And when you're talking about, the homeless situation, repossessions, and you've spoken quite passionately about it in the Dáil, when you were working as a barrister and you were working for those credit institutions, did it jar with you? Did you have any sort of inside, or are you able, is that the job of a barrister?
That is the job, but you represent people. I represented people, serious criminal allegations, and then that's our court system. And we have to have the utmost respect for the court system. And I respected that. I mean, if I could go back, but I'm not going to itemise what I did.